कितल्याशाच म्हाका दिसता अशी वर्सांनी वी आर हॅव्हिंग अ लॉंगर सेशन. आर यू हॅपी, सॅटिस्फाईड that there is a longer session now?
In that pretext, it is okay. But whether this session will still remain for this government is capable of doing anything, whether it should remain for 18 days, कितें कसले एक्सक्यूज काडपाक शकताय.
सावथाचे तुमचो व्यू पॉइंट कितें? सिटींग एमपी काय एक दुसरो कॅन्डिडेट?
See, I believe that the South Goa sitting MP, Mr. Francisco Sardinia, has said that he would contest. There is an ex-president. There are other people as well who have shown
interest.
So definitely our party will look at it, and definitely whatever is, wherever there is winnability, and that will be chosen first.
आज एक आर्ग्युमेंट जाता तो म्हळ्यार सालसेत इज नो लॉंगर विथ यू. द लास्ट इलेक्शन ऑल्सो प्रूव्ड इट. रायट नाव तर अशी परिस्थिती आहे की आफ्टर दिगंबर कामत एंड ऑल शिफ्टिंग ऑन दी अदर साइड, सालसेत which is your core voter base in south is completely disintegrated.
You will see no from days to come. आधी 8 जां गेले, 8 जां गेले मग काँग्रेसा लोक गेले. Who says that? Congress is like an ocean. आमदार येतले वयतले आणि हे जे गेले डिफेक्टर 8 जां तांकां कोका मेळ्ळे आनी धोका मेळा.
एक गजाल आसा न्ही युरी बाब की आज तुम्ही सगळेजण एकठांय बसतात बरें आहा, पण आमी लास्ट इलेक्शना पळयलें, इलेक्शन येता तेन्ना सगळेजण कॅन्डिडेट घालतात.
See, that is what we need to understand, that the vote share of the BJP is 34%. That shows what? 66% is against the government. So it is up to all of us, all the parties in the opposition, to understand. The BJP wants to divide and rule.
एक मेजर जो आर्ग्युमेंट येतलो आणि एक जो प्रश्नूय येतलो तो म्हळ्यार रेव्होल्युशनरी गोवन्सांचो. ते ग्राउंडार कंटिन्युअस काम करत आहात आणि ते इतले तांणी उलोवन दाखयला की आमकां दोन्ही सिटी कॉन्टेस्ट करपाक जाय म्हणून. तुम्ही आज म्हणटात की ओपोजिशन डिवायड जावपाक जायना. दुसरी वटच्यान अशी परिस्थिती आसा की एक एकटे अनाउन्समेंट करत आहा की आमकां कॉन्टेस्ट करपाक जाय म्हणून. कशें जातलें युरी बाब?
See, everyone is looking at their political survival. But divide and rule cannot be the political survival in Goa's interest. What is the benefit of them contesting? Who will be benefited by RGP contesting? Who will be benefited? And I believe that everyone, it's like a mini opinion poll for us.
नॉर्थाक आज अशी परिस्थिती आसा की काँग्रेसीची परत प्रश्न येता की बाबा तुम्ही एकदा नॉर्थाक इलेक्शन जालें की मागीर आनी तुम्ही ना कॅन्डिडेट थंय तयार करतात ना थंय काम करतात.
See, you need to understand that when you have 8 defections, when you have a disconnect of 18 to 45, these are things that we are looking at more scientifically, moving to the people, and our party president and all our MLAs, we are moving, and the work has already started.